Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. The issue we're tackling today revolves around the description of the problem. This can be frustrating to deal with, but fear not, as we get a solution that will help you overcome this obstacle with ease. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem. The key to resolving this issue lies in the solution provided. By following these steps, you'll be able to the solution action. Remember, patience is key when implementing this solution, as it may take some time to see the desired results. But trust the process and you'll get there. In addition to the solution, another helpful tip is to additional tip related to the solution. This can further enhance the effectiveness of the solution and prevent similar problems from arising in the future. It's always good to have multiple strategies in your toolkit when it comes to troubleshooting tech issues. To sum it all up, brief summary of the problem and solution. Remember, don't let technical hiccups hold you back. There's always a solution out there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.